So you need to buy a brand new Samsung remote control. Well, you've come to the right place. Just click on the link right below this video, order your brand new Samsung remote, and it ships today. Hi, I'm Carrie with electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. So whatever kind of remote control you need, whether it's a Samsung remote or something else, we have it and we'll ship it today or next business day. And the great thing about our remotes is that they're brand new. They're not used or refurbished, and they're not universal, which means there's no codes to program it. All you do is put the batteries in and they're ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence, so we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. We also want to save you some money, so when you get to checkout and it asks for the coupon code and a remote and the number 5, and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, if you need to order a brand new remote control, click on the link below, order it, it ships today or next business day. If you have any questions, call the 800 number that you see on the screen and one of our operators can assist you. Thanks for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.